thought of the bacteria makes my skin crawl. I just opened this and it smells rancid. It's just grim. The potential here is just thrilling. The suspense is killing me. Let's add the glow. Prepare yourself, because this is going to be gorgeous. I need to see this lip on you now. Prepare yourself. I'm getting so excited. The way this is coming together. Prepare yourself, because this is going to be gorgeous. Let's add the glow. I'm just itching to get to the finishing touches. I need to see this lip on you now. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. The way this is coming together. This color story is going to be everything on you. Prepare yourself, because this is going to be gorgeous. The suspense is killing me. Just awful. I'm so inspired. I am so looking forward to seeing your smile when you see this. The final spritz of setting spray, the moment of completion. I wouldn't touch a client's face with it.
Ooh.
I wouldn't touch a client's face with it. I love it! Your features are so sharp. It's so soft and romantic. Flawless! I mean, truly sparkling. It feels like I'm putting mud on your face. Ugh, I hate the feeling of sticky, tacky lip gloss. Straight into the bin. You have the perfect Cupid's bow. Yes! It's moments like these that feel like discovering treasure.
Oh, yes!
I'm just, wow! This is better than I even imagined in my head. I'm so glad we went with this color. I'm thrilled with how this turned out. This is what I call a wow factor. Your confidence just shot up. I can feel it. The structure of your face is just a gift. I didn't realize your eyes were this green. You are a vision. A complete dream. dream. You look incredible. This is one of my favorite looks I've ever done. The finish is like polished silk. Absolutely, positively stunning. A complete dream. You look incredible. Perfect. Absolutely, positively stunning. I'm getting angry just looking at it. This is one of my favorite looks I've ever done. You look incredible. Perfect. There! Catch her!